Good morning, Chester. This is Billy Rose with your weekly forecast, May the 17th through the 23rd. And currently in Chester, we got scattered clouds. Temperature is at 73. It feels like 74. The wind speed is at 12 miles per hour. And the humidity is at 79%. We don't have any severe warnings or tornado warnings. In Chester, we do have some rain showers, it looks like, maybe some light showers. It moved in a little bit earlier than forecast and may roll out a little earlier than forecast. They did also change up the tornado outlook for today. They've included, actually, they included counties just to the east of Chester, going into Mount Vernon, Marion, Carmi, and in Kentucky around Hopkinsville, Bowling Green, Louisville, Lexington, and southern Indiana, and just south of Cincinnati, so Marysville, Kentucky, in that area. So they are under 2%, and they've upgraded in the Nebraska and it looks like Kansas area, and they've expanded to 5% to include southern Iowa and northern Missouri as well, and bordering Nebraska and Kansas. We also have that SIG 1 upgrade, means if a storm develops that it can be in EF2 plus in intensity. So the 5% has, or the 2% is expanded from just to the east of Denver, going into Nebraska, Kansas, Iowa, Des Moines, and going just close to Iowa City. So that's what we're looking at. We do have about 3 storm chasers that are out as of now, and I expect that to go up. We do have a stationary front from Kansas going all the way up into Iowa. And we have this low pressure system sitting right here, kind of stalled out. If we take a look at pivotal weather real quick, what's bringing this in is this 994 millibar low pressure system, which will initiate these storms that we are going to see. So let's get back to radar Omega. So currently, we do have some snow showers probably in the mountains in Iowa. In Montana, Idaho, and in Washington, but in the lower lying areas, probably just some light showers. And then if we get into around North Platte area, we got some light showers going into Nebraska and Kansas. Our heavier showers right now in and around St. Louis, north of St. Louis, St. Charles, Rollin, Missouri, Jefferson City. And you see the light blues. We do have some light showers in the area going all the way down, actually to Louisiana, Oklahoma. And then it starts to pick up. We do have a couple of special weather statements with some nickel-sized hail, it looks like, in and around Kentucky area, Maysville, to Lexington. You got about, looks like 6 weather statements in that area. And then we do have some showers going all the way up to Columbus and Mansfield. And that's where that 6th one is in around Marion in Ohio. But we do have showers going all the way up from Indianapolis all the way up to Detroit and into Canada. Other than that, in and around Florida, it looks pretty decent. The Gulf Coast looks pretty decent.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
Looks pretty much like most of the East Coast is pretty good. So we are going to have quite a bit of storms, severe weather rolling through the Midwest and the plains this week. And we will take a look at that. Our 7-day forecast for Sunday, May 17th, we got a high of 87, a low of 71. It's going to be breezy. Monday, May 18th, we got a high of 84, a low of 74. 30% chance of some thunderstorms. Tuesday, May 19th, got a high of 82, a low of 59. again, 70% chance of some thunderstorms. And then Wednesday, May 20th, we got a high of 69, a low of 56 with a 50% chance of some thunderstorms. Partly cloudy on Thursday, May 21st, you got a high of 71 and a low of 57. Friday, May 22nd, we have a high of 67, a low of 58, and a 30% chance of slight chance of some showers. And we'll look at that later on in the week. You can also look at my daily forecast for the next day. I'll do that daily. And then on Saturday, May 23rd, we got a high of 69 and a low of 61 with a 30% slight chance of some showers. Again, every day I'll put out daily temps and basically if we're going to have some showers or if anything develops, I'll put that out. Other than that, I'll just do the weekly forecast. As far as the severe weather in and around the St. Louis area, we will take a look at that probably on Sunday, Monday in that area. See where we lie as far as any tornadic weather or hail or severe thunderstorms. But other than that, guys, we have an advertisement today. On Saturday, June 13th, from 4 to 8:30 p.m., Chester Public Riverfront in Chester, Illinois. This is going to be our second time doing this. I believe it might even be our third time, but second time in the evening, where we will have some live music from 6 to 8 p.m. with Southland Acoustic Band. We will have Mom and Pop's Pizza, El Paraiso Taqueria. I believe that's out of Steelville. We got Juicy J's here from Chester and Hazley May's Bakery and my wife, Cicely Swirl. Guys, come out. We had a good turnout the last time we had this. You can bring your chair, bring your own cooler. We'll have food vendors there, and it's going to be family friendly. I don't know what the weather's going to be like. That's a little bit too far off, but hey, it is a good time. We had a good turnout the last time I went in the evening time. So if you ain't do nothing, come out Saturday, June 13th from 4 to 8:30 p.m. Bring your lawn chairs, chill out with the family, talk to people, and support your local vendors. And that's all I got. I will see you guys next week unless I go live. And I'll talk to you later. Have a good rest of your day. And if there's a little bit of time to mow your lawn, get it done because we're going to have some showers. All right. Have a good one.